Good morning, students. In the last class, we have started countables and uncountables. What is countable and what is uncountable? Already you understood very well in the previous class. Here some special words are there. So, what are the special words are there? Let's see through the example. Some special words. Some words countable and are uncountable. Both chances are there. Countable ಆಗುತ್ತೆ uncountable ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. How some words have become countable and uncountable according to situation. ಸೊ ಸಂದರ್ಭಕ್ಕೆ ತಕ್ಕಂಗೆ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಕೌಂಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೌಂಟೇಬಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. Her hair is black. Her hair is black. Her hair is what? Black. Then she has two gray hairs. See here. Underline hair and hairs. Chances is there. It become countable and uncountable. Here become countable plus uncountable. Countable ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ uncountable ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಹೇಗೆ? How that become countable or uncountable? Let's see through the example. Her hair is black. Her hair is black. So totally hair is black. Can you count 1 hair, 2 hair? So here in the first sentence, hair is what type of noun? Can you count all the hairs? Is it highly impossible? Is it possible to count the hairs? No. In the first sentence, just you have to think first sentence. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. Her hair is black. ಮುಗಿದೋಯ್ತು. What type of noun it is? It is uncountable noun. Because hair is there, total hair is there. Total hair is there. Hair is black. Don't count. You can't count the hair. So let us see second example. How that become a countable. How that word become a countable according to situation. According to situation. Let's see here. She has 2 gray hairs. Yes, of course. ಈಗ I have 2 white hairs. ಎನ್ಸಕ್ ಬರ್ತಾ 1 2 ಹೇರ್ ವೈಟ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ವೈಟ್ ಗ್ರೇ ರೆಡ್ ಎನ್ಸಕ್ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. 1 ತಗ ನೋಡಿ 2 ತಗ ನೋಡಿ ಅಂತ ಎನಿಸ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ. 1 ಬಿಳೆ ಕೂದಲು ಐತಿ 2 ಬಿಳೆ ಕೂದಲು ಐತಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಎನ್ಸಕ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್? ಹೇರ್ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಹೇರನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗಿದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ she has 2 gray hairs. 2 gray hairs. ಹೇಳದವೆ. It means what? It is a countable. ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಐತಿ ಎನ್ಸಕ್ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. 1 ಬಿಳೆ ಕೂದಲು ಐತಿ 2 ಬಿಳೆ ಕೂದಲು ಐತಿ ಅದೇ ತರನಾಗಿ ಇದೆ. she has 2 gray hairs. ಎನ್ಸಕ್ ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ these are special words. Let's see second example. This jug is made up of glass. Total glass made up of what? Glass. So glass is now here uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. That's glass. ಗಾಜುಗಳು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಜಿಂದ ಏನು ದಿಸ್ ಜಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್. ಈ ಜಗ್ ಇದರಿಂದ ಮಾಡಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಗ್ಲಾಸಿನಿಂದ, ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ಗಳಿಂದಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಜಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್? ಗ್ಲಾಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ನಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ಯದ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅದು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಅನ್ಕೌಂಟಬಲ್ ನೌನ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಅ ಕೌಂಟಬಲ್ ನೌನ್. We drink wine or juice, whatever you write. Juice. out of glasses. We drink juice out of glasses. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಕುಡಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿನ ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ 1 glass 2 glass 3 glass can you count juice of ಎನ್ಸಕ್ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾವು ಕೌಂಟಬಲ್ noun. ಎನ್ಸಕ್ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ 4 ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿತೀನಿ, 5 ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿತೀನಿ, 6 ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿತೀನಿ, ಎನ್ಸಕ್ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. Is it right? So now here a countable noun. Okay, so important note is there, you have to think what is that. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? Some words become countable or uncountable. For example, air, glass. One more is there, you have to check that. Work, that is a work. Okay, so important note is there, what is that? Let's see. Important note. What is important note? Uncountable nouns. Here, uncountable nouns are always singular, always singular, and take a singular word and take a singular word. Uncountable nouns are always singular. Uncountable noun ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ always singular ಅಂದ್ರೆ. So yeah, throw the example. Let's see here which is correct or incorrect. Let's see here through the example. He did not care for my advices. Let's see second one. He did not care for my advice. Two sentences are there. How many sentences are there? Two sentences are there. In the two sentences, which is incorrect, which is correct? Which is correct, which is incorrect? You have to think. He did not care of my advice or advices. Which is right? Advices, ಉಪದೇಶಗಳನ್ನು ಉಪದೇಶ ಅವನನ್ನ ಅಡ್ವೈಸರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ಗಳು ಉಪದೇಶಗಳಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಕಾಲ್ advisors? So he did not care for my advices. So here first sentence is incorrect. First sentence is incorrect ಅಂದ್ರೆ advisors ಅಂತ ಬರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ uncountable noun ಇದೆ ಅದು. That is uncountable noun ಬರ್ತದೆ. advices, advice, beauty, truth ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ uncountable noun ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಸೊ he did not care my advice. ಎಸ್, ಅವನನ್ನ ಉಪದೇಶನ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. he did not care for my advice, ನನ್ನ ಉಪದೇಶನ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ now it is correct. First one is wrong, second one is what? Correct. Okay, this side. Second one, waters are necessary. Waters are necessary for life. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ uncountable ಯಾವುದು? In the second sentence here, water is necessary for life. So ಈ ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನೊಳಗೆ what is uncountable noun? Yes, water is uncountable noun. Water is what? Uncountable noun. Is it right? See here, waters are necessary for life ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀರಿ. Is it right thing? Is that right sentence? ನೀರುಗಳು ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ಆಧಾರ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀರ, ನೀರುಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀರ. ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ವಾಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಫಾರ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್? ಹೌದಾನೆ? ವಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕರೀತೀರಿ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಕಾಲ್ ದಟ್? ನೋ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ incorrect word, incorrect sentence. Okay, so second, water is necessary. Yes, ನೀರು ನಮಗೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕ, ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕ. ಓಕೆ, ನೀರುಗಳು ನನ್ನ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ನೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್. ವಾಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಫಾರ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, yes, is it understand how to make a correct sentence? Which is correct sentence? In those are the sentences. He did not care for my advice. Advisors are just so wrong. He did not care for my advice. That is correct. Then second sentence, waters are necessary for life. That is also wrong. Water is necessary for life. It is a correct sentence. Okay, let's see. You do one thing, exercise. Put C for countable, put U for uncountable. So many words are there. Afterwards, box is there. For example, air, book, then beef. So before that, boxes are there. This like itara box. So ಅದು countable. If the thing is countable, you have to write C. If the thing is uncountable, that is you have to write U. C means countable, U means uncountable. Is it understand? ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅದ, ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೌಂಟೇಬಲ್ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ, ಎಣಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಣಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ಬೇಕು? ಯು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಈಗ ಏರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ನೌನ್? ಕೌಂಟೇಬಲ್ ಆರ್ ಅನ್ಕೌಂಟೇಬಲ್? Yes. Air, what type of noun is there? Can you count? No. So what is that? Air, that is a uncountable noun. So what you have to write? U. ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲೇ? ಯು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏರ್ ನಾವು ಎಣಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವನ್ ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಸಿ ದಟ್, ನೋಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಏರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬುಕ್. Book, what type of noun? One book, two books, three books. Can you count? That is countable or uncountable noun? Book is a countable noun. So you have to write C. You have to write C. Then beef. Beef, it is what type of noun? ಎಣ್ಸಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ? ಒಂದು ಮಾಂಸ, ಎರಡು ಮಾಂಸಗಳು, ಮೂರು ಮಾಂಸಗಳು ಅಂತ ಎಣ್ಸಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ? So it is uncountable noun. So you have to write U. Apple. Can you calculate? Can you count the apple? One apple, two apples, three apples. Can you calculate? So what type of noun that is? That is a countable noun. So that like other examples, other so many words are there. You have to put C or U. You have to put C or U in the box. ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ಯು ಅನ್ನ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Does it understand? Okay. So second sentence is there. Second main. What is the second main is there? Underline the words wrongly used in the following sentence. Correct them. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಏನಾಗಿದೆಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ರಾಂಗ್ ಅದಾವೆ. ಅವನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, these jugs are full of waters. Look at second example. Windows are made up of glasses. Look that. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. One word is wrong. Which one is wrong? You have to write that. For example, these jugs are made full of waters. Full of waters or water? What you have to write? Yes, this thing is made up of wood. So here these jugs are made up full of waters. What is right here? Which is right? So here which is wrong word? Waters ಅನ್ನು ಬರೆದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ? You have to write water. These jugs are full of water. ನೀರಿನಿಂದ ತುಂಬಿದೆ. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಗ್ಗಳು ನೀರಿನಿಂದ ತುಂಬಿದೆ. Is it right? These jugs are full of water. Okay, then windows are made up of glasses ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ? You have to write singular. ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ? Just you have to write glass. Let's see third example. Books are made up of papers ಅಂತ. So papers is wrong. So what you have to write? ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕಲ್ಲ? ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು? Just you have to write paper. ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕಲ್ಲ? Paper ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. So that like other examples you to do. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಉಳಿಕೆದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ನ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, then third main is there. What are countables? What are uncountables? Name 5 countables. Use them in a sentence. Name 5 uncountable. Use them in a sentence. Third main ಏನೈತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೌಂಟಬಲ್ ಯಾವುವು, ಅನ್ಕೌಂಟಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಸಿ ಏನೈತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ 5 countable nouns ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಓನ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. 5 countables ಅನ್ನ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ 5 uncountable, 5 ಎಣಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲಾರ್ದಂಥದ್ದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ನೌನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ 5 sentences. So it is your homework. Homework is what? Complete the exercise. Page number 2. First main, second main, 3 main. In the exercise, 3 mains are there already. More than 2 examples I already solved for you or done for you. Other examples you have to make. ಉಳಿಕೆದಂಥ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಿಲ್ಲ? ಯಾವ ಥರನಾಗಿ ಕೌಂಟೇಬಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅನ್ಕೌಂಟೇಬಲನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೌ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ countable and uncountable. We have to use countable and uncountable, and some special words also you learned. Just once again check that. Okay, so complete the exercise. That is your homework. Okay. See you in the next class.